Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Oppo A78 5G, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So, firstly, I suggest you to check your internal storage. So just open the settings, then scroll down, find here about device and find here storage. And as you can see, I have used only 27 gigabytes of 128, and it means that I have used for about 30% or about 30. But if you will use the 70% of full, so if 30 is here, so 70% here is the 70% point. So if you will use your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So I suggest you never fill up your storage, internal storage, over than 70%. So always need to have 30% free storage. Great, go back. And the second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So all processes are running at the moment, they are running in RAM, and here again the winner is one who invests in a device with more temporary storage, but your device has the opportunity to extend the RAM, to extend the temporary storage, to extend the memory. To do it, you just need to open About Device in Settings and click RAM. And here you have RAM expansion feature. To use it, you just need to use this tumbler, and for example, you can expand your storage by 1 gigabyte. You can expand, of course, first you need to enable this future RAM expansion. You can expand it to 2 gigabytes or to 4 gigabytes. Okay? So, enable it and go back. Of course, if you will enable it first time, you will need to reboot your device. So, for example, as you can see, if I will choose 2 gigabytes, I will need to click Restart Now, but I will not do it now because I'm using 4 gigabytes of expansion. Okay? And the last aspect that can slow down your device is the harmful files. So I suggest you to find Files application on your device. This is pre-installed app. Here you will see Large Files Cleaner. It's really great feature, but you need to find Phone Manager application. It's pre-installed application on your device too. And here you will see Tools button. In Tools button, maybe not in Tools, you need to optimize our device. Okay, optimizing device is on the Phone Manager button, so click Phone Manager and click Optimize. And as you can see, Phone Manager has cleaned my memory and my storage chunk files. So, great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.